Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bang on Theory. So friends, we already started our new series. In this series, we will discuss all questions of Java, Python and Unix which have been asked in Proctored assessment and online Proctored assessment. We will also discuss case study project. Okay. So first please subscribe our channel, and if you like this video please share with your friends, and you can join also our community by join our Telegram group and also can join our WhatsApp group. So let's start. So we will read this question line by line and try to understand. In this video, we will discuss 3rd July TCS online Proctored assessment question of Java. Okay. So whenever you try to solve any question, you know reading pattern of question is almost same in this Proctored assessment online Proctored assessment series. So this question says we need to create two classes. First class is solution class. In this class, we have to implement two static methods. First is for find average and second is for find vessel grade. Okay. We also need to write main method in this class, and before write this two method, calling this two method, we need to use scanner object to read values for a vessel object, referring the attribute in below sequence. Okay. Question recommends you to write getter, setter and parameterize constructor. But at that situation, if you will not have enough time, so you can also skip getter and setter method. But if you will have enough time, so I also recommend you to write getter and setter methods. Okay. So let's focus on logical part. Okay. Logical part is very important because already know the question pattern. Logical part says first method is for find average. So input part is we need to take two inputs, okay, and pass two parameters. First is percentage parameter of data type int, and next is array of naval vessel object. And what we need to return? Average of this variable attribute from naval vessel object when percentage requirement as mentioned fulfills. Okay, so percentage formula or already given. Percentage equals to number of voyages completed multiply 100 divided by number of voyages planned. So we need to derive first percentage. Okay, so first step is pass parameter to this method, and in this method we need to first derive percentage. Okay, then if this percentage, if above this percentage is greater than equal to percentage passed as parameter, okay, then those object should participate in this average calculation. Okay, and if there are no objects, then pass 0. Okay, in next method find vessel by grade, input part is string parameter purpose. Okay, and next is array of naval vessel objects. What we need to return? Naval vessel objects. If condition is input string parameter purpose, this string parameter purpose match with purpose attribute of array. If this string parameter purpose will match with purpose attribute of array, then return naval vessel object. But before return this object, we need to derive classification based on percentage calculation mentioned above. Okay, so condition is given for deriving classification. Condition says if percentage equals to 100, then give classification should be 100. If percentage is between 99 and 80, then it should be leader. If it is between 79 and 55, then inspirer, and at last striver. Okay, so we also need to derive classification. Okay, this is logical part. Next, printing part. Printing part is also very important because what we need to print in main method, it's very important to understand. Okay, so in this method, main method should print if return value we got from the previous logical methods is greater than 0, then average value as it is we need to print. If particular average value we got as an return object from the return variable from the method, if it is greater than 0, then print average value as it is, else print this statement. Okay, this is printing part for this method. For this method, for find vessel by grade method, in main method we need to write print statement, print vessel name and classification, this classification, okay, with modulus symbol of return naval vessel object, else print this statement. We will discuss deeply in solution part, so don't need to worry, okay. Its sample input is already given, okay. There are 5 sample inputs, 5 records. In each sample input 5 attributes is given. First is vessel ID, next is vessel name, okay. Third is number of voyages planned, fourth is number of voyages completed, and next is purpose, okay. And at last, this is our searching parameter, search parameter int and search parameter string purpose, and this is sample output. First output we will get from find average, and this is vessel name, modulus symbol, and this is classification, okay. I hope you understand this question. So let's discuss the solution part, okay. So first import all packages and classes which we required, then create a class name solution, then create a main method. After this, create an array object as per the size, okay, size of number of attributes, then create a scanner class object, okay, scanner class object, and using for loop take all inputs, and at last call and initialize constructor, okay, which we will define in our naval vessel class, okay, for all objects and variable initialization and for data type matching purpose, okay. Main part is this part. This statement is very important, but why we need to write this statement? If we did not write this statement in this program, then we will face error, because issue occurs because when we use next int method of scanner class, which is used to read the vessel ID, okay, then it will return the value of integer data type to the variable vessel ID as expected, okay. But the cursor after reading vessel ID just remains just after it, okay. So when the vessel name is read using next line method of scanner class, then this method start reading from the cursor current position, okay, which is still on this position, okay. In this case it will start reading just after the vessel ID, okay. So the next line after vessel ID is just a new line, which is represented by /n, new line character. Hence the vessel name is just new line character. So to consume this new line character, we need to use sc.nextLine statement, okay. I hope you understood. Then we need to take 2 search parameter as an input. First is percentage parameter and next is purpose parameter. After this, call the function. First is find average, okay, find average voyages by PCT function, and store this value in this variable of integer data type, and passing parameter is percentage parameter, this parameter, and array of naval vessel object, okay. Then printing statement, printing part is if this average value is greater than 0 as question said, then print as it is average value, else print this statement, okay. For this method printing part is this, and then call this second method, okay. Second method parameter is purpose parameter and array of naval vessel object, and store the output in n vessel object of type naval vessel class, okay. Printing part is if n vessel object particular record is not equal to null, then print get vessel name, okay. In this program we used getter and setter method, that's why we use this method get vessel name and get classification. If you don't want to use getter and setter method, then you can directly fetch that particular variables, okay, and append this modulus sign and fetch get classification value, get vessel name and get classification value, append with modulus sign, okay. Else print this statement, ending of main method, okay. I hope you understood. Then logical part. In this method, average method, as question said, okay, so we initialize two variables for summation of for average derivation. We need to declare sum of voyages completed equals to 0, and next is count of voyages equals to 0. Okay, then create a for loop to the array of length. Okay, then percentage calculation, as the question said. Okay, get number of voyages completed into 100 divided by get number of voyages planned. After deriving percentage, apply this condition, as question said, if this percentage is greater than or equal to percentage parameter. Okay, percentage set parameter. Then summation operation is sum of voyages completed plus equal to, means sum of voyages equals to sum of voyages completed plus number of voyages completed. Okay, summation, and at last we will find average part. Okay, if this percentage value is greater than percentage such parameter, then summation of all values. Okay, numerator part, and also find out the count of voyages plus. Okay, increment this variable to find out the denominator part, numerator part, denominator part. At last return the average. If count of voyages is greater than 0, then return the average, else return 0. Okay, I hope you understood this method. Next method says first n vessel variable object equals to null, initialize, then create a loop. In this loop we need to implement these conditions. If purpose attribute from naval vessel area object is equals to case sensitivity is not mentioned in this question, so we need to ignore case sensitivity. So dot equals ignore case method is used. Okay, if this purpose attribute from array naval vessel object is equals to purpose attribute, this purpose attribute, then store that particular record in naval vessel variable. Okay, then for classification we need to find percentage again. Okay, store this value in PCT variable and apply classification condition. If PCT equal to 100, then set classification value to star. Then this condition, if PCT is less than equal to 99 and conditional operator greater than equal to 80, then leader. If this condition, then aspirer, and at last else striver. Then break condition to terminate the for loop, ending of outer if, ending of loop, ending of this method, and return this n vessel variable. Okay, n vessel object, and ending of solution class. Okay, I hope you understood. Then next we need to create naval vessel class. If you don't want to use getter and setter method, then skip this private access modifier. Only declare all variables. And then next we need to create parameterized constructor for all objects initialization, variable initialization, and for data matching purpose, data type matching purpose. You can also skip this part if you don't want to use. Okay, next getter and setter methods as per the data type given. Okay, and at last ending of class, ending of naval vessel class. Okay, I hope you understood this question with solution part. Okay, so friends, please subscribe our channel, support our channel, and like this video. If you have any problem, any query, you can freely ask in comment section. Thank you friends.